How does a heat pump work? So if a heat pump is connected to a gas furnace, it will essentially be all of your heating for the entire year until the outdoor temperature hits about 32 degrees. And that's where the heat pump will start to shut off and your gas furnace will turn on to provide you heat in that extreme cold weather. If you're looking for on the cooling side, it'll be all the AC that you need, just like a standard AC would be, so you wouldn't see a difference on there. If you have an air handler and a heat pump, so a fully electric system, it'll be all of your heat throughout the entire year, except for when it does hit 32 degrees, you will have the electric strip backup heat that is in the air handler start to take over and provide you heat throughout that cold climate time as well.